So here we have the components required to do wireless scanning and printing through your iPhone. We're using a Netgear wireless router. Here is the power lead for the wireless router. We've got our Ethernet cable, which has a plug similar to a telephone plug but a little bit bigger on both ends. Today we're using a Canon Pixma MX885. Okay, and we also have the power lead for the printer. And that's all the components that we need to be able to scan and print wirelessly from our iPhone. Here we have our Netgear router, and this is how we plug the router in. We've got our plug here which comes from the PowerPoint, goes into the round socket at the back. Okay, and plug it into 240 volt power. We can then grab the Ethernet cable, okay, and it can go into any one of these 4 ports on this side. See how there's a slight gap between that? Not into this port here, into one of these 4 ports here. Just clicks in. That's it, like that, and therefore you've now got your router set up. So here we have our Canon Pixma MX885 printer and scanner. We're going to go around the back of here and plug in the power and the Ethernet port. So Ethernet port is this one here. We just plugged that one into the router before on the other end. Okay, if we look in here, there is a port that has 3 computers linked to each other, and the Ethernet port is just underneath that. Plug that one in there. Okay, we also have our power lead. Okay, if we go over here on the other side, there's a plug down here. Plug in the power lead. Okay, that's now plugged in, and we can now plug the power into the PowerPoint. And that is all at the moment that is required to set up for scanning and printing. We'll next go and have a look at how we can use the machine.